Well-known Republican attorney now plans to challenge two major decisions made in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak.
This lawsuit could affect anyone who rents their home or has a child in school. Our political editor Dennis Welch explains.
And attorney Corey Langhofer was preparing to sue the governor over his stay-at-home order, but now with that order set to expire tomorrow, Mr. Langhofer says there are two other changes he wants to see. One, he wants the governor to reverse another executive order that halted evictions for now, and two, he wants to make sure that schools open in the fall. Since the COVID-19 outbreak hit Arizona, Governor Doug Ducey has issued 30 executive orders, and public schools have closed their doors. Now, as the state prepares to reopen, one well-known Republican attorney is willing to challenge some of those decisions in court if necessary.
We're definitely not saying to put people on the street. We're saying pay your rent.
Corey Langhofer wants the governor's March 23rd order that delayed evictions dropped because he claims some renters are taking advantage of it and leaving their landlords in a bind.
It's the people who are intentionally not paying because they know they can't be evicted. Those guys are the problem.
Even as the number of COVID-19 cases and deaths continue to rise, Langhofer is also prepared to sue schools and districts in court should they keep the schools closed in the fall.
School boards cannot decide to just close their schools as long as there's someone sick in the district. By that standard, they'll just never reopen. Kids have a right to an education if it's reasonably safe in the state, and it appears to be at this point.
Langhofer is declining to reveal who his clients are until his lawsuits are filed. And we did reach out to the governor's office for comment, but they did not immediately respond to our request. In Phoenix, Dennis Welch for Arizona's Family.